G'day everybody, it's William from Supertech Electronics, and we're going to show you how to remove an amplifier from the boot of a Suzuki Kizashi vehicle. Okay guys, the tools you're going to need today is a 10mm socket and an 11mm socket, one flat screwdriver and one plastic spudger. First tool you'll need is the plastic spudger. There'll be a little plastic clip in there you'll need to pop out, and that will give you access to this part here where the amplifier is housed. So that is the amplifier right there, and we're just going to pop that out of the way. Okay, so what we'll need to do is remove the amplifier from the wall of the vehicle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 bolts. Once we've got those off, this whole amplifier will come down. Now we're just going to lie it down there for the second. And we've got these nasty little power clips on the back. I'll show you how to remove those with the flat screwdriver. We'll need to put that in there and just angle those little triangular pieces out of the way. Okay, once we've done that, that whole piece can just come out and go to the side. We're going to flip it over and remove a similar bracket on the back, and once again take that out first. Okay, so we've removed the blue plastic clips. In order to get the plugs out, push that centerpiece and it will come straight out. There we go. Okay, so before you send this amplifier off to Supertech Electronics for repair, take it off the bracket. You don't need a parcel that big. Save yourself some freight. And once you've got all 4 of these undone, that will come off and you can send just that off to Supertech Electronics for repair. Don't forget to download our repair request form and pop it in the box with it.